Hello and welcome to today's video on IT infrastructure. In today's digital age, IT infrastructure plays a vital role in keeping businesses running smoothly and efficiently. So, what exactly is IT infrastructure? Well, it refers to the hardware, software, networks, and services that are used to manage and support the information technology needs of an organization. Essentially, it is the backbone of any modern business. The first component of IT infrastructure is hardware. This includes servers, routers, switches, and other physical devices that are used to store and process data. Hardware needs vary depending on the size and needs of the organization. Small businesses may only require a few servers, while large corporations may have entire data centers to handle their needs. It is important for businesses to invest in reliable and scalable hardware to ensure smooth operations. Next, let's talk about software. Software refers to the programs and applications that are used to manage and manipulate data. From operating systems to productivity software, businesses rely on software to carry out various tasks. Some examples include customer relationship management, CRM software, accounting software, and project management tools. It is crucial for businesses to select the right software that suits their needs and integrates well with their existing infrastructure. Now, let's move on to networks. In today's interconnected world, networks are essential for communication and data transfer. A network is a collection of devices connected together to share resources and information. This can be a local area network, LAN, within a single building, or a wide area network, WAN, that connects multiple locations. With the increasing reliance on cloud computing and remote work, organizations must invest in robust and secure networks that can handle the growing demands. Lastly, IT infrastructure encompasses various services. These can include IT support, data backup and recovery, cybersecurity, and cloud services. IT support ensures that employees have access to technical assistance when needed. Data backup and recovery services protect important business data from loss or corruption. Cybersecurity services help safeguard against cyber threats and breaches. Cloud services provide flexibility and scalability by allowing businesses to store and access data remotely. In conclusion, IT infrastructure is the cornerstone of any modern business. It consists of hardware, software, networks, and services that support and manage the organization's information technology needs. By investing in reliable and scalable infrastructure, businesses can ensure smooth operations, seamless communication, and data security. So, whether you are a small business or a large corporation, understanding and investing in your IT infrastructure is crucial for success in today's digital world. Thank you for watching today's video on IT infrastructure. I hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.